Are you tired of wasting time clicking each email to delete it? Learn how to delete emails in Gmail with just 2 keys. First, I'll show you how to enable keyboard shortcuts in Gmail settings. Then, I'll demonstrate the exact keys to press. Start by navigating to the Gmail homepage. Then, click on the gear icon at the top right corner to open Gmail settings. Now, click on See All Settings to open the full settings panel. Scroll down until you locate the Keyboard Shortcuts section. Go ahead and click the radio button for Keyboard Shortcuts On. Once that's done, click Save Changes at the bottom of the page. Now, choose the email you want to delete from your inbox. Click on the checkbox next to that email to select it. Finally, press the Shift key and the number 3 on your keyboard to delete the email. That's it. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.